Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Flow Podcast. My name is Alex. I am very happy, very proud, and very excited that you are here with me today. This is episode 3, and this episode is very special. Today, we are not just learning English. Today, we are building confidence. Please relax. Sit comfortably. Put on your headphones if you can. Take a slow, deep breath. And let English flow naturally. Let's begin. Part 1, the right mindset, very important. Before we speak English, we must fix one thing: our mind. Many people say, I am afraid. I make mistakes. My English is bad. Listen to me carefully. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am not afraid. I am not afraid. I can speak English. I can speak English. Very good. Pause for a moment. Breathe. This is your time. Part 2, speaking slowly and clearly. English is not about speed. English is about clarity. Listen. I speak slowly, clearly. Repeat. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. Excellent. Now say, I don't need fast English. I need clear English. Good job. Part 3, Daily English Foundations. Let's start with very simple sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you today? I'm doing well. I'm okay. Not bad. Take your time. Repeat again. Part 4, talking about yourself, deep practice. Now we talk about you. Listen. My name is Alex. I am learning English. I practice every day. Now you. Repeat. My name is. I am learning English. I practice every day. Excellent. Now slower. Pause after each sentence. This is how confidence grows. Part 5, Real Daily Situations, Life English. Situation 1, meeting someone new. Listen carefully. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Now repeat sentence by sentence. Pause. Repeat again. Situation 2, asking for help. Listen. Excuse me. Can you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Thank you very much. You're welcome. Repeat slowly. Good. Part 6, English for Confidence, Power Sentences. Now we build power. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I understand more and more. I am confident. I am calm. I am learning. Pause. Repeat again. Very good. Part 7, English at Work, Simple. Listen. I work here. I start at 9. I finish at 5. I like my job. I am learning new things. Repeat slowly. Now imagine yourself speaking at work. You are doing great. Part 8. English in public places. Listen. Where is the bathroom? How much is this? Can I pay here? I'm looking for this. Thank you. Repeat. Clear. Calm. Natural. Part 9. Long guided conversation, very important. Now listen to a longer conversation. Do not rush. Hello. Hi, how are you today? I'm doing well. How about you? I'm good, thank you. Are you learning English? Yes, I am learning English. How long have you been learning? I practice every day. That's great. Thank you. I try my best. Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you too. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Now pause. Breathe. Repeat the whole conversation slowly. This is real English. Part 10. Confidence training, 5 minutes. Repeat after me. I am not perfect. And that is okay. I speak English my way. I learn step by step. Every day. I become better. English flows naturally for me. Excellent. Part 11. Listening practice, silent repetition. Now listen only. Do not speak. Just listen. Let English enter your mind. Pause 10 seconds. Now repeat softly. Part 12. Motivation, from me to you. Listen carefully. You are doing something important. You are learning a new language. This takes courage. This takes patience. And you are doing it. I am proud of you. Final part, closing, slow and calm. Please listen to this episode again. Pause when you need. Repeat out loud. Practice every day. This is English flow. Simple. Natural. Confident. Thank you for listening to English Flow Podcast. My name is Alex. See you in episode 4. Bye-bye.